Another emerging giant out of Center Mass right now. We're talking about the one and only ShaqStar from Seafood.
Holy man,
Father, what going on?
Them they are going to eat.
Yo, we see every people that game, yo, banger songs all over. You see me? I said, but talk to me right now, ShaqStar.
Yeah.
What name for it from?
You know, say I literally the name, I just saw it sound though. Shaq and Star though. When I juvenile, I just say my name Shaquille. I'm my right name. I'm a star, so watch it now. I just easy as that. You do me Shaq.
So far, I would know to say, even with your stage name, you add your place where you fought from. So I never Seafood fought for actually.
Yeah, because watch it now, you see the whole name now, ShaqStar of Seafood. Why we even use the half, I just like you, that's the king of England. You see me? I'm a ShaqStar of Seafood.
So basically represents the place.
Yeah.
How you start off in the music?
I know, so we start off in the music from about high school days where I messed around, but seriously, we start about 4 or 5 years ago, you see me? And I don't know, they laugh and the dog, I say, yo, just put in the work start from this.
I want to know how like, the collaboration between Labas now come find say, I want camp, right?
Yeah, man.
Just talk about
I
it.
don't know, so I just link it from high school days, though, from long time days, we just a connect on a normal level, you see me? I don't know, so two of us say we have a love for music naturally, so you know we're on the same part.
A couple people that say, yo, it's like you're Lawman related.
Yeah,
similar patterns of music and, you know, similar features, same way, you know? So what?
I just a similar lifestyle, same way. So the same thing they will kind of go through naturally. So you see me, everybody, you don't know my story, I go talk that way than how him talk, it's just the same. So yeah, that's why the music I got related, because when I make music off a while going around, you see me?
What do you think you do different now? People can say, yo, ShaqStar, I want to look out for you, see me?
I know, so I just a meditation where I give them do different style, you know, when I stay in one direction, everything where I give them positive, where I give them, you see me? Braff, where I give them party song, every type of song where I give them, I want something for you girl, them little time, you see me?
So give me some inspiration growing up, you know, making the music right now.
Growing up, I don't know, Gaza is how much. Cartel naturally, everybody, you see me? Yeah, but it's the cartel. Just the same, they like the whole young money thing with the inner that too, you see me? You have some little youth now. Like Joey and them youth, they were underground rap to me, the inner them type of thing that I don't know, so still listen. Like Baba and them man, they just the same. So I don't really one direction that either.
A mixture basically.
Yeah.
Alright, so right now, talking now about your music. There right now when you plan to put it.
You know, say it's a more international level where I plan to put it right now. You see me? It's up on a steady rise, so I want to get the thing real active, you know, with more work.
So like what else I should look out for collaborate right now? Like we can check out ShaqStar and what's the next?
Look you know, we have a Nation Boss collab.
Yeah.
We have a collab with Josh just the same. We have a couple collab with Lord just the same. We come out, you see me? As I can hear the one where you just that play with Valley and that never released the right way, but it's still in the bag for release, you see me? Yeah. I know so many people in here that, you see me, are active.
ShaqStar talk to me right now about music I promote, the song I promote right now.
And the song Fake Love, you see me?
I when you give her, them give you fake love. Let me say they in any situation.
Fake Love, as you can hear in the song, we just talk about general things that are going on right now in our society, you see me? Give me hard, then give me fake love, you see me?
ShaqStar right now, finally, talk to me and tell them why ShaqStar music intense, you know?
Yeah, as I say, just a message that we have. You see me, and the way we deliver the message that we have at the end of the day.
See, you know, the man, the difference right now, ShaqStar say, yo, natural, music, family, everything I go work out.
Right, that's so. ShaqStar, active.
One ShaqStar.